decomposing a composite function into its component functions. In some cases, it is necessary to decompose a complicated function. In other words, we can write it as a composition of two simpler functions. There may be more than one way to decompose a composite function, so we may choose the decomposition that appears to be the most expedient. For example 10, we're decomposing a function. We're going to write f of x, which is equal to the square root of 5 minus x squared, as the composition of two functions. So we are looking for two functions. We can call them g and h. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be in g and h, but we're going to use that. So f of x is going to equal g of h of x. To do this, we look for a function inside a function in the formula for f of x. As one possibility, we might notice that the expression 5 minus x squared is the inside of the square root, and we can then decompose the function as the following. We can say that h of x represents 5 minus x squared, and we can say that g of x is the outside function as the square root of whatever that input is. We can call it x. So we can check our answer by recomposing the functions. So if we use these as our functions, h of x and g of x, well, let's find out what this would look like. Well, we'd have g of h of x, and this would then be the input, 5 minus x squared, on the function g. And so we're going to replace x to be 5 minus x squared, so that's the square root of 5 minus x squared, which gives us the function f of x.